Hi everybody. So today I wanted to talk about something that can be a major source of anxiety for a lot of home buyers, and that's the home inspection report. So anytime you're buying a home, you of course want to get a professional home inspection report done. And the purpose of that report is for the inspector to go in and take a look and identify any issues, small or large, that might affect the function or the safety of the home. And when I say any issues small and large, I literally mean everything. If you get a good inspector, they are going to find every little tiny thing that is wrong with that house. It is not unusual for a home inspection report to be 30 plus pages long. And this is actually what you want to see from a home inspector because it means they've done a really thorough job. And it means that they've done everything they can to uncover anything that might be an issue with the house. And as a buyer, you want as much knowledge going into the sale as possible. Now, just because you get back an inspection report that's 30 pages long and lists 15 different issues with the house doesn't mean it's a bad house, and it doesn't mean it's a bad purchase. Every house, no matter how old, how new, even new construction, is going to have problems that come up on an inspection report. So what's really important for you to do is go through that inspection report with the inspector and identify what major issues in that report might actually cause you to not want to purchase the house, or what can be repaired, or what can perhaps be negotiated. And any talented professional inspector should be able to sit down with you, look at that report and say, here are my top 3 things that would be of concern for me if I were purchasing this home. And then you can take those things and decide, can I repair them? Can I negotiate with the seller? Or are they going to cause me to pass on the home? Thanks for watching, and follow for more real estate information.